Hey Fit Fam! Today, we're diving into the fitness tips I wish I had known sooner. These are game changers that could have saved me time, effort, and frustration. Stick around because tip number 1 is a total eye-opener you won't want to miss. Some people believe you have to do hours of cardio to lose weight, while some others say strength training is the only way to go. So, what's the truth? It can be confusing to navigate all these mixed messages. Here's the real deal. Both cardio and strength training are important, but they serve different purposes and work best when combined. Let's break it down. Tip number 5. Mix cardio and strength training. Science shows that combining cardio and strength training is the most effective way to burn fat and build muscle. Cardio helps you burn calories and improve heart health, while strength training boosts your metabolism by increasing muscle mass. Studies have shown that high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be particularly effective because it combines both elements in a time-efficient workout. 4. Focus on compound movements. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses work multiple muscle groups at once, leading to more efficient workouts. Research indicates that compound exercises burn more calories and build more muscle compared to isolation exercises. So, instead of spending an hour doing bicep curls, incorporate moves that engage your entire body. Third tip, prioritize protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal. Studies suggest consuming 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight for optimal muscle growth. Good sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant-based options like beans and legumes. Tip 2. Don't neglect recovery. Recovery is just as important as your workouts. Overtraining can lead to injuries and burnout. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and incorporating rest days into your routine. Stretching and foam rolling can also aid in recovery by improving blood flow and reducing muscle soreness. Tip number 1. Consistency is key. This is the big one, folks. Consistency beats perfection every time. It's better to have regular, moderate workouts than to go all out and then burn out. Set realistic goals, stick to a schedule, and remember that fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Studies show that maintaining a consistent workout routine leads to better long-term results. And here's the kicker. By implementing these tips, you'll not only see faster results but also enjoy your fitness journey more. So, don't miss out on these game-changing strategies. Now, it's time for you to take action. Comment below with the fitness tip you found most surprising. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health and fitness tips. Share this video with your friends who are on their fitness journey, and let's build a supportive community together. Stay fit, stay healthy, and see you next time.